Welcome to the Giftease Academy. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of enrolling candidates. If you haven't already, we recommend watching our How to Invite Candidates tutorial first, as you'll need to invite and register candidates before you can enroll them in courses. For this tutorial, we are going to use our demo account, the GenCall Foundation. When you log in, you will be presented with your dashboard. This dashboard provides key information displayed in tiles under My Dashboard, such as the number of courses available, candidates registered, invitations sent, and the administrator users registered. To enroll a new candidate, select Courses from the menu panel on the left-hand side and click on List. This will open the course management screen, where you'll see a list of courses, both paid and free, available for candidate enrollment. For this demo, we'll choose the free RGA 1 Trainers module course to enroll our candidate. You can highlight and select the course by hovering over the desired course and clicking on it. Once you've opened the course, you'll see a list of candidates already enrolled. In this demo, we've already registered and enrolled a new candidate, Alice Jones. You can see from the activity code that she hasn't started the course yet but has been successfully enrolled. As she progresses through the course, these details will update in real time. In addition to the enrolled candidate's information, you'll also see a brief synopsis that includes course details, the estimated duration, and the price. For this course, the price is displayed as 0, as it's a free course. To enroll a new candidate, simply click the Enroll Candidates button. This will open a new screen listing the available candidates who can be enrolled in this course. As we've only invited and registered 2 candidates so far, and 1 has already been enrolled, this list will contain just that 1 candidate. For reference, you can use this screen to search for candidates if you have multiple unenrolled registered. You can also multi-select all candidates to enroll all available candidates at once, which is especially useful for enrolling all candidates in free courses, such as our free-to-access personal development courses. Once we've selected our candidate, we'll click the Enroll Selected Candidates button to complete the process. This will display a final confirmation message to ensure we wish to enroll the selected candidates. If this is a paid course, the message will also notify us of associated fees due and will open a payment screen before completing the enrollment. We will cover this in our Paying for Courses tutorial. However, since this is a free course, we can simply click the Yes Enroll button. And that's it. We've successfully enrolled our candidate. After a successful enrollment, an email will be sent to your enrolled candidates, informing them that they have been enrolled and providing a link to start their training. Additionally, your course management screen will update to reflect the candidates you have enrolled. When the candidate next logs in or refreshes Rise 360, their newly enrolled course will appear in their My Learning dashboard. From there, they can click to open the desired course and get started. They're now ready to begin their learning journey with Giftease Academy. Thank you for choosing Giftease Academy. We're here to make learning management simple and effective for you and your team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at solutions@gift-ease.co.uk. Thanks for watching.